describe it. It's worse than on or off. It's like, I don't know. You know, when you're this low to the ground. Doesn't it? But you've got a nice balance in it. It's not just a show off car. It's got the go as well, isn't it?
That's like so many people have said to me, you either do just the interior and make it look smart, or you go flat out on the engine. And and I wanted to do both, so that's what I did.
Has it cost a lot of money?
I've seen it.
Guys, you're not going to be laughing at me in the video.
It's mad, right? Like, normal potholes in a car would look like tiny little things to this. It's like...
That look like a hole in the earth.
Yeah, exactly.
How do I... No indicators?
Indicators, bruv, at least.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Sega Rally style, yeah?
Yeah.
Guys, this is extremely hard to drive, I promise you. Wow. The steering is crazy. Yeah, man, this is, it's like Flintstone vibe, innit?
Yeah.
It's like I'm moving rocks. Bro, man's moving stone. Trust me.
If you hit your
Actually, how do I click it back, yeah? Yeah, so I need to watch out for bloody potholes and stuff like that.
Yeah.
If you crash this, it is game over. Yeah, I have never experienced... Is it braking?
Sorry, you're used to bitch fluid.
What? Yeah. Jeez, I don't know where to put my foot down. I don't know. Yeah, it's not even about that right now. 4th gear.
It's gonna catch you.
What? Put him in the road?
Nah, legit. Like, you'll feel that, and then all
It'll
of a sudden,
jump, yeah?
You'll just have it. There's no like.
That mechanical analog. But I mean, I don't know what to say. Like the steering, it's literally connected to the wheels, isn't it? There's there's nothing disguising the steering feel. It's like when you play an arcade game, yeah, like the simulator. You know, you play simulator and you put the settings in correctly for the steering, like. Yeah, it's backing off by itself. As soon as it comes to boost, basically, Ollie's turned the key off in it so that I can't hit boost and that.
Yeah, and just the pure fact that it will not put it down. My man's looking for indicators.
Bloody yeah, I'm all like paranoid right now. Jeez. Yeah, turning circle's small, innit? Yeah. If you did enjoy it, oh my days, let's just go straight. Yeah.
a right or a left turn. Lamborghini make the heads turn. Enough fuel for the next journey. Man's wheel spinning, got the heads turning. Exhaust smoke like a fire burning. Just bought a bin, my man's buying German. Parkway I want, didn't buy a permit. Wanna join the team, then buy a jersey. Full tank full of gas lead. We on